Hi guys! So I fell. But it was all worth it. I'm not sure what's the name of this mango, so I'm sure you're thinking it's really green, but I made a video to show you that it's not that sour. Ta-da! So you'll need mango, garlic, salt and sugar, pimento, a hot pepper that's optional, and some shallow. Make sure to wash your hands and the ingredients you're using. Allow your child to grate some mango. When they've finished grating half of the mango, you could cut up the other half and add all the ingredients to a blender. It's best to use partially ripe mangoes, but mostly they use green mangoes. I didn't have much green mangoes on hand, so that's why mine looks a little more yellow. Add on your cover and let's blend away. Guys, oh my goodness, the red pimento really made a difference. I suggest using a lot of red pimentos if you have it. And there you have it, our Trinidad and Tobago's mango chutney. In Trinidad and Tobago, we have pylori and tahina, and we dip that in our mango chutney. Feel free to allow your child to snack on the mango seeds, and also all your seasoning cuttings, you could recycle them and put them in a bin, and there you could grow them.